Hi everyone, Kurt from Richmond Wheel and Caster. We're putting the final touches on one of our in-store gate displays, and I thought this would be a good time to show you a couple of hinge types that we commonly use and some basics on how to fit them, maintain them and use them to their best ability. So here we've got our bolt-on butt hinge, and as you can see you've got a top piece and a bottom piece, and pretty simple to use. One just simply slips over the other and both sides will bolt onto your frame and the gate itself. We've got our butt hinge here and we've pre-drilled our holes. So basically what you want to do, this is our post. We're going to take the bottom piece of our hinge and basically insert the bolt. Now this one goes all the way through the frame. And that's mounted, ready to be secured at the back with a stainless steel nut. Now with this butt hinge, you can see here, the piece that we've got on the gate post is the pin itself, and the piece that goes on the gate frame is the cup, and that slips over the top. Now the reason for that is any material that gets into that cup will gravity will drag that back out, so you won't retain any dirt or anything like that. And once it's on, you can lubricate through the lubrication hole, and it will actually spread the lubrication across that whole pin. So we've got both hinges attached to the post and the gate frame now. Now these bolts aren't actually tight yet. By leaving them a little bit loose, it helps the hinge to align because we've obviously got two hinges, one here and one up higher. So by leaving them loose, it just helps them to align. And now that I know that the hinges are moving freely, we'll go around and tighten all the bolts up so that it secures it in that position. Now it's all up, so last thing to do is lubricate the hinge, and as that operates, it'll spread the lubrication around the inside of that pin.